Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Unlimited might in Middle Earth Shadow of War. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get unlimited might in Middle Earth Shadow of War. So in this video, first thing you need to do is you need to be right here. As you wait in this exact spot, right, I'm going to show you. There you go. You need to be exactly right there. The map, as you can see. There you go. To be exactly there at that position. Once you are there, as you see, I'm gonna zoom it out. There you go. There you go. And once you're there, you need to step on the fire and just run as fast as you can. There you go. And burn a little bit and run. So I've tried this like a million times. No, I'm just kidding. More like 30 times and didn't work because you must be precise and something because there's something in the game that bugs when it does this. So I've tried this like 30 to 20 times before I get the unlimited might. Just follow what I'm doing. I'm sorry for the this when I was playing that I was not voice recording because I was focused on doing it right. So if just keep doing what I'm doing in game, there you go. Just let them damage you. So your goal here next is you need them to get your HP to a very low health. There we go. We're gonna find now. I'm finding someone who can lower my health. Oh, there we go. think I think I let them hit me. There we go. Now my health is lower. I'm just gonna find someone so I can have a might. So we need to use our what they call this engage our might or have a might. We're it need to have a might, then we need to use it. There you go. And there you go, guys. I believe it worked when you click F. Oh, there we go. So you see, my might is now full. So I can use my might as many times as I want. There you go. Watch. There you go. Boom. Oh, oops, I'm not catching anybody. Oh, there we go. There's a big guy. And there you go, guys. As you can see. There you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video and hope you guys enjoyed. And a quick tip for you guys: try to do this offline and do not turn your what do you call this network on because the Middle Earth Shadow of War might notice that you are cheating. There you go, guys. Hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.